If you've ever wondered how rings are made, we'll share with you a very detailed video of the process. We can tell that some pretty sophisticated tools are being used here. Let's see what will happen to this rod. Some cuts are being made to achieve the look of this mold. After the cut, the artist is smoothing up the surface real nice, heating the metal now so that a form can be given to it. This is a pretty detailed work, but it is all worth it for a personalized ring for sure. Removing this part of the metal to make room for the stone. It is looking pretty unique so far. These small stones are what make this ring even better. This has got to be one of the prettiest rings out there. We're loving this shiny look. Would you like to own this ring? We surely would. Let's watch another ring making process. This is where the ring size is measured. The artist is now making room for some stones. This is making us quite curious for the end result. How beautiful do these stones look? The more stones are added, the better the outcome. This is truly mesmerizing. We're loving every little detail of this. We hope you enjoyed the video.